Thank you for watching my video and thank you for your comments. This time I drove this KYOSHO 2021 Toyota Takoma on the snowy mountain. Everything is stock except for replacing the spy gear, pinion gear and LED lights. From the middle of the video, it is running with these Proline racing tires. How do you think it will run? So, take a look. Oh, it's windy. Change sails. Proline Super Swimmer. What happened? Oh, very easy to operate. time to paint. I'd like to paint pearl white. And black. Oh, it's windy. Not bad. Apply 2 coats of the same color. Once this dries, line it with white. Next, I'd like to line it with white to reduce the light shining through the body. Today is so cold. Next, I'd like to paint the upper part of the door mirror with this pure white. The description says that it is a hard and plastic, so I think it can probably be used. And it also says 2 more coats. This time I'll paint the pearl white and then black. If black and pearl white were mixed together, it won't look good. I fail every time and get a little disappointed. I'm looking forward to seeing if I'll be successful this time. Now I'm going to peel off the masking tape and paint it black. I'm excited to see if it's painted well. Watch our video until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and click on logo. I'll continue to make videos of wireless radio control cars. You can see videos of all these RC cars in my past videos, so please take a look. So please see my other videos. See you guys next vlog and have a nice day. See you soon.